Hello. I agree with that. So, anyways, first of all, thank you so much for this, not just for the whole course, for this function, especially for coming up. And really, it's been great. I've been accused of talking a lot for the last 10 months, so I'll keep it really short. I'll say there were three sources of learning while we were here. One was the course in itself, one was the institution, and one was definitely the participants themselves, I mean, interacting with them. So I'll just say one specific thing that at least I learned from each of these. From the course in particular, I think the most important takeaway for me would be a structured way of thinking. In the initial few classes, I remember my thought process was like, this is obvious. I mean, you don't have to say this. Any entrepreneur would probably, or any guy in business, or any guy even in a job for that matter, just thinks of these things naturally. Why do we need to look at these frameworks and these formulas and everything? But actually, when you put your thoughts into these formula, whether it is a framework for innovation, a framework for industry analysis, many others that we learned, it actually starts to make a lot more sense. You start to think more clearly. So I think now I probably know why people say that there is so much of clarity of thought from these school grads. That's probably where it comes from. So the clarity of thought or the structured thinking, that is my number one learning. The second, I would say, what I learned from the institution was the ruthless sense of organization. It was, to me, it was unbelievable, really. Because you enter here, you check into the NDC reception, everything is ready, your room is ready, you go. You get up in the morning, you go, the breakfast is set, you go to your class, your books are on your table, the cases are right there, the presentation is switched on. You go out for the coffee break, the coffee is ready, the sandwiches are there. You go for lunch, everything is there. And evening, you have this email, do this tomorrow, come at this time, come at that time. So I mean, it's an industry in itself. This could actually be implemented into some of the best in practice of service industry. So that is certainly great. And the last thing that I learned.
And it's a PSU.
And it's a PSU. I have not seen any, even a private service provider to obtain these levels of service. So that's incredible. And not the last thing that I learned, but the last thing on my list here is from the participants. The diversity probably came not just from people coming from different industries. I think that's obvious. That's probably a way of selecting participants, that you come from different industries. But the two other things which were really, which made me really curious about a lot of stuff. One is everybody is at a different stage of business. Somebody is yet to start, somebody has started, somebody started 30 years ago. So it's really amazing to gather perspectives in the different levels. And the second thing, some people are individual entrepreneurs, some people are in the family business. Being in the family business, some people are in a different situation, others are more comfortable, some others want to change some things. So I think that diversity is probably what mattered more to me than the different industries that they came from, the different stages of life that probably people are in. So that's it for me, 1, 2, 3, those were there. Of course there were many more, but now that's it. So thank you so much, sir.